with Not Too Shabby, and welcome to day 3 of our sneak peeks for our November release. I'm super excited to share the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month Club with you today. So let's take a look. I'm going to go through the Warm Winter Wishes paper pad. It's super cute. It has these really cute images on the inside. And then this Christmas Plaids number 2. So pretty. And it goes perfectly with the Warm Winter Friends ephemera pack. And this pack is so stinking cute. I'm going to share the tags that I created with this. And then we'll share this very cute stamp set. We have the Stamp and Die of the Month. This is Warm Winter Wishes. And we have the option to have the die. So the die comes on a magnetic sheet. It does cut out all the sentiments and images. I did do some coloring. We're going to have a live release day party on the 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time, and I'll be playing with this stamp set, finishing up this here. We'll make a cute little card. So let's dig into the tags that I created. They turned out super cute, and I used one of our older dies. This is the Farm Fresh tag die. It's no longer available, but I thought the shape was really, really cute. You can simply do this with any kind of tag die. I added a circle. I added a little embellishment in the background, tied it with twine. But the star of the show is that cute little reindeer holding a coffee mug. And I did these tags for the Coffee Lovers blog hop. So head on over to the blog and check out the coffee inspiration. You can hop to each blog post. You can enter your card for a chance to win fabulous prizes. There's so many sponsors. We are sponsoring a $25 gift certificate. So you can find that over at the Coffee Loving Paper Crafters group. So here's the other 2 tags. Isn't that so cute? The images are so darling. I used sparkling enamel dots to accent all of these tags. I love it. Let me show you the other tags that I created with the Paper Pad Club. I did use the Hot Cocoa Gnomes for this one. And then for this one, I used the Coffee Gnomes. So super fun. For the Stamp and Die of the Month, this one's really cute. This is called Warm Winter Wishes. I think these characters are just super perfect to create holiday tags with. Be sure to check out Danny from Danny's Dreams here on YouTube. She is our guest designer this month, and she'll be working with the Stamp and Die of the Month and the Paper Pad Club. And I know she made some adorable tags you're not going to want to miss. Sentiments, we've got Warm Winter Wishes, Christmas Lights, Hot Cocoa Nights, Winter Time, Hot Cocoa Weather, and Hot Cocoa Season. And then we've got our little cocoa mug, some snowflakes, and a heart. We've got a penguin, a reindeer, a bear, a cat, a hippo, and a rabbit. So the die does come on a magnet if you are in the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. And then for our Paper Pad Club, this is my favorite. I just love these like vintage colors, and I love plaids, and this is so pretty. So we've got Christmas Plaids number 2, and then we've got Warm Winter Wishes. And this cute little ephemera pack is just adorable. So this one's called Warm Winter Friends. Let's take a look at the Warm Winter Wishes. This pack here has a cutout sheet, so you can make your own ephemera, and wait till you see what it is. It's super cute. Now I love how different this plaid design is. Look at that. How pretty is that? And then we've got a really nice pattern with holly leaves and that poinsettia flower. And then we've got it a little bit bigger, a little bit different on white. And look at that rustic look of this plaid. It actually looks like little snow smudges. We've got a simple pattern here. Snowflakes. I love that one. That's really pretty. Beautiful plaids and beautiful florals on top of that. It's like a plaid design in the background. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite page right here. You get 4 of them. Look how cute these little bunnies are with scarves and glasses. Oh my goodness, hats. Is not adorable. So if you cut them all out, you get 4. You're gonna have a ton of ephemera to make some really cute cards. I love this paper pad. So you are able to purchase this paper pad as a one-time purchase if you didn't want to subscribe to our paper club. So if you were worried you're not going to be able to get your hands on this, you are able to purchase it as a one-time purchase. So all you have to do is just check out without changing the frequency to monthly. But of course, we would love for you to subscribe. This is the Christmas Plaids #2, and I'm just gonna fan out the papers. These are all plaids. I'm just gonna fan through the Christmas Plaids. Just gorgeous, beautiful reds and greens, and a beige. Love it. This would be perfect for making some cards or tags using like Christmas cookies, hot cocoa. Oh my gosh, these beautiful little critters that I'm going to show you. Look at that one. Love it. Okay, let's take a look at the Warm Winter Friends. They are just too cute. All right, I'm going to put these all out, and then I'll bring some close-ups so you can see them. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. So adorable. There's some nice trees in here. Some ornaments. The mouse. Oh my gosh, the owl. Okay, how cute is this? Oh my gosh, so super cute. So a lot of these you do get 2 of each image, and some of them, I think there's 1. I don't think there's a double of this owl. I couldn't fit it in there, but I tried to get as many cute little critters as possible into this pack. Let me bring a few of these up close so you can see the cute details. Aren't they precious? Oh my gosh, I just love them. All right, so let me get a picture of this before I make a big mess. So you get 4. So you get 4 of these sheets with these cute little bunnies. Aren't they stinking adorable? I just love them. So look how cute that goes with the paper. How stinking cute is that? So pretty. So I'm gonna do a quick card. I'm gonna go run this through my Brother Scan and Cut. You can fussy cut these out however you like, and we're gonna put a card together. Okay, so here are my little cutouts. I just can't stand how adorable they are. They're so cute. And right here, you could make a great masculine card. I think these bunnies are very masculine. And the plaids, the colors, I think this would make some great cards for the men in your life. Look at that, it's so cute. So to join our paper pad club, there is a drop-down menu. It'll say choose your frequency. If you choose monthly, you'll get an 18% off discount, and then you'll get your 2 paper pad clubs, and you can opt in for the coordinating ephemera, and you'll get that every 30 days from the date you purchase. So if you purchase on the 1st, you will get your next paper pad on December 1st, and so on until you cancel. So this is such a great club. I really love creating with the paper pad club every month. It makes it so easy to put things together. It looks so cohesive and professional. I just love it, and I know you're gonna love it too. So if you are on the paper pad club, leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about it. Or if you were on it previously, let us know what you think about the paper pad club. So let's put this to the side and create a cute little card with this. I already see a sheet that I want to work with. That I think it's going to look really pretty with some plaid. So I think this and one of these plaids with this cute little bunny is going to look adorable. I think I want to throw in a little bit of that Christmas tree as well. I'm going to use the word hugs. This comes from the Easy Wonder Dies #1 add-on. So I'm going to glue this together. It has a shadow. I just cut it out with the same pattern that I used for the background. Okay, so I just have a little strip of the Christmas tree paper because I did not want to waste the cute little bunnies that were on the back of that. There's no way I'm giving up my bunnies. And the squares also come from the Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on. And I'm going to add this little strip down the side here, and then we'll put some peel-off stickers on the side of that. So let's see what color I'm going to like with this. I have a burgundy. Let's see if I do the little skinny one with the gold, because I don't think the burgundy is the same exact color, but this little skinny one with the gold. I think that'll just add the perfect little touch. And then I'm going to take these 2 little ends . Let's add some glue. And then we'll have our little hugs. So let's see how we can position this. We can put that right under there. We can kind of do it on an angle. I think I like that. Let's just glue him flat. I'm just taking some enamel dots from the Coffee and Cream collection. Okay, how cute is that? And if you wanted to, you could put some glossy accents on those glasses. That would be super cute. So I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to speed it up for you. Forgot I wanted to add these cute little hearts. Okay, so there's 2 really cute cards. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I can't wait for you guys to create with the new designs this month. I will see you tomorrow on release day at 9 a.m. Central Time at nottoshabbyshop.com. Take care, guys, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.